In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to promote Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook Marketplace using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. I made $37,950 in commission with Fiverr affiliates promoting my affiliate links for free using free traffic from Facebook Marketplace. I will share with you guys my method, my strategies that helped me to earn this commission just in 90 days, in last 3 months. Okay, this is my clicks, this is my CTR, and so on. For people who are interested to start making money with Fiverr affiliates, step number one, go to Google and search for Fiverr. Search for this website, click on the first link over here, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this, go to company and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliates website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Okay, they are really paying some good commissions, and some commissions can be up to $150. Okay, for just one service. The best part with this business is that each time this person will make transaction on Fiverr, you will keep earning commissions. Okay, so just click on join now and you will be directly in the sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you guys have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. And choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. You should see your commissions here, your clicks, your CTR, and so on. What you will do next, you need to choose a good services that people will be interested to buy from you on Facebook Marketplace, and I will share with you one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on Facebook Marketplace. So what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr, go back to this home page and click over here on the search and search for real estate leads. Okay, search for this service, and I want you to pay a close attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. You will find a lot of sellers here who are providing those services related to real estate leads. Okay, you need to choose good sellers like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews, because people will check the profile of those sellers. If those sellers are good sellers, then those people will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. Okay, so for example, let me choose one of those sellers. So we have here really a lot of sellers. We have this one. I will provide real estate motivated sellers leads with skip trusted. This one looks really good. He has a lot of reviews. We have also this one. We have this one here. I will do real estate leads bulk Skype trusting for you. This one also is a really good one, level 2 seller, a lot of reviews. So but let me choose, let's scroll down, let's see if we can find some really good ones here. Okay, let me see. Real estate agents, Facebook and Instagram. So I will generate real estate home buyers lead using Facebook ads. I think this one is really looking good. Okay, you guys can see this one. I will choose this one. This one is level 2 seller. Okay, so I think this one is a really good one. I will find vacation program leads for real estate investors and investors. I will choose this one. I will click on this one. on his service. Just click on his service that you want to use, and you will be directly in this seller profile page. What you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of the seller, go back to your Fiverr home page, click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page like this. Click on deep link and put your affiliate link here, your seller profile link here, sorry, and click on save. And here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook Marketplace. So let's go to Facebook to show you how you can do it. Super easy. Go to your Facebook homepage, open your Facebook homepage, click on Marketplace. Okay, you will be directly in this page. Click over here and choose those countries like that I will share with you. You can choose United States, you can choose Canada, you can choose Australia, United Kingdom, Italy, Spain, and all those countries that speak English, and those countries that just those first 4 countries that I shared with you are the best countries that you can start working on. Okay, so for me, I'm using United States. You can search here on United States and you will be directly in the Facebook Marketplace of United States. You will find people here from United States who want to sell their products or and so on. Okay, so what you will do next, you will click on the search and you need to search for real estate for sale. It's already here. Search for this keyword. I want you to pay close attention in this step. You will find a lot of people here, as you can see, who has a real estate for sale. So let's pick one. For example, let me see. You guys can see this one is really like this one. I'm gonna choose this one here. I will click on this real estate picture here and I will be directly in this page. So what you will do next, you will click on message and you will send your professional and friendly message with your affiliate link to this person. So those people will be interested to buy this service. Okay, a real estate home buyers service. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go to, so first you need to create a professional and friendly message. So go to ChatGPT, go to Google, search for ChatGPT. You can use it to create a professional and friendly message that you can start using to those people who want to sell real estate homes. Okay, and you need just to ask ChatGPT, create a friendly message that I can send to people on Facebook to buy a real estate leads service from my Fiverr affiliate link. If you scroll down, here you go. You guys can see it's a professional and friendly message. I will copy this message. I noticed that you are in the real estate business and I wanted to share something that could help you boost your sales and save time. It's a really fantastic and good message. I will put this message here. And what you will do next, you need to put your affiliate link here. Okay, super easy. Go back. So just go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same, and as you can see guys, this affiliate link is too much long. I will make it short link. You guys can go to bit.ly. I'm using always bit.ly to make my affiliate link short link. Click on create new link and put your affiliate link here and click on create your link, and it's for free and it's easy to use. And here you go, copy your affiliate link, go back to Facebook Marketplace, put your affiliate link here, your Fiverr affiliate link, and click on send, and your message will be sent to this person who is searching for buyers for his real estate. Okay, That's it. Those people on Fiverr has experience. They know exactly how to do this business. Okay, so those people can help, those sellers can help those people here on Facebook Marketplace to get buyers. Okay, and that's it. If you guys find this video is helpful, please like this video and comment. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. Also guys, I want to explain something. Let me show you guys. The commission that I made, it didn't come from just Facebook Marketplace, of course not. This commission come from YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Quora, and so much more. I'm not using just Facebook to promote my affiliate links, but in this video I show you exactly how to promote Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook Marketplace using free traffic. And for people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you are guys interested, reach out to me in my email address and I will get back to you. I will put my email address in my description. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next videos.